Hi everyone, it's Irma here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize the row properties. As you can see, I have a beautiful layout prepared, but it's not quite done yet. So let's open the row options here first. What we see now are the general row settings. These three boxes are responsible for the width of the row. We can stretch the row here so it would take up the whole width of the page. If we move on to the row design options, we can change the background of the row, which is the image at the moment. Now, let's open the settings for this row. Here you can change the properties of the columns that are in the row as well, like the column gap, for example. You can also adjust the content position to be in the middle, bottom, or the upper part of the row. Now, as the cherry on top, let's make the row full height. There are a lot more options for you to play around with, so feel free to try all of them out. Thank you all for watching and enjoy!